Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm back again today to share with you my completed baby blanket, and I am so happy with how this turned out. Now I made this baby blanket in a crochet along that was put on by the Secret Yarnery YouTube channel, and the name of this blanket is the Bloomscape 2023 crochet along. And my blanket measures 34 inches wide by 42.5 inches long. And I am really happy with how it turned out. So I'm going to move in a little bit closer so you can see how it looks a little bit closer. Okay, here's how my blocks look a little bit closer. And you can't see because the yarn I used to join is a green color. It's a dark green, so you can't see it as good. But I am so happy with how my blanket turned out. Each of the flower squares, I am just so happy with how they turned out. And I will leave more information in the description box below. So if you would like to make one of these blankets, you can just check the link below for information about what I use to the videos that I used to make these squares with, and also how I joined them. She also put up a video of how to join the squares. But thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like my baby blanket. And if you would like to be notified when I add new videos and new content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.